Discover the new automatic doors for your BMW 7 or BMW i7 with several ways to open or close the doors hands-free. Here's one. Simply press the button on the outside door handle. Quickly make room for the door to open, as it will stop for any obstacle. Closing the doors is just as easy. Press the door button on the interaction bar for the front doors. Or use the button above the touch command to open or close the rear doors. The Doors and Windows menu can be quickly accessed via the button on the driver's door. If one or more doors are open, the direct close button is shown in automatic doors. You can also select the menu to open or close any door. Tap again to stop the door's movement if necessary. The driver door can be closed just by pressing the brake pedal. Make sure to activate the function in the settings. Your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant can also close doors for you.
Hey BMW, close all doors.
Should I close all doors?
Yes.
I will do that now.
And of course, you can still handle your doors the old-fashioned way, by pressing the button in the door handles from the outside, or by pressing the door opener underneath the armrest from the inside. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.